Zoola is an anonymous chatting app created by Team Public Static Void Main, which allows people to share their opinions or ideas instantly with people around them. Zoola supports logging through Facebook. Once you're logged in, you can start chatting by creating your own chat room or joining rooms created by others. Let's start by creating our own chat room. You can specify the name of the chat room and the main topic that will be discussed in this room, movie in this case. The chat room can only be seen by those who are within 300 meters from where you created the room. You can now send messages to the room. If someone else joins the room, they can see previous messages and reply instantly. And now you can start chatting. We will use emulator to demonstrate if a chat room is too far away, the user would not be able to see or join it. Suppose we set the emulator to be in Toronto and create a chat room, while the physical phone was set up in Vancouver, which is thousands of kilometers from where the emulator was. Then, if the user refreshes to see all the available rooms in Vancouver, the one created in Toronto would obviously not be visible to the user in Vancouver. Now let's switch the emulator back to Vancouver. Then the emulator will be kicked out of the room since it is too far away. Zoola also supports push notification. This means if a user has joined a chat room and exit the app, they will receive notification about new messages in the room. This ensures you're never gonna miss any interesting discussions happening around you. Moving on to complex logic, Zoola can recommend chat rooms to users based on their preference set in profile and their chat history. We created 8 chat rooms in one phone and set another user's preference to movie. Now, in the Explore mode, the user can see all 8 rooms, but if we ask for a recommendation, only a handful of chat rooms are displayed, featuring the movie chat room. If we change our preference to music, then the recommended chat rooms will change accordingly, this time featuring the music chat room. The recommended chat rooms will also change based on what types of chat rooms the user contributed the most. If the user sent a lot of messages in, say, a shopping chat room, then rooms about shopping are more likely to be recommended. In addition, Zoola has a sensitive words screening feature. For example, if you send any inappropriate words, then the messages will be replaced with stars. And any ads posted in the chat will also be blocked completely. Now it's your turn to take out your phone, download Zoola, and start chatting.